Hey everybody, how we doing today? I am so excited today because guess who's visiting me? Sarah from Sarah's Jewelry Studio. That's right. She's gonna stop by and visit my studio, check out my studio. Maybe I'll take her out and look at the pergola. I'm gonna have some iced tea with her. I think she's bringing some friends as well. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to see her. I can't wait to meet her. I've talked to her many times through chat, through messages, and of course I've seen her on YouTube, but I've never met her in person. So this will be really, really neat. Now, I have not told her, and she has no idea that I want to get her on video. So hopefully when she shows up, I can talk her into getting on a video and saying hi to you guys. So anyway, let's wait and see what happens. In the meantime, I'm going to spruce up my place, get some little hors d'oeuvres ready, get the tea ready. Well, I think I have everything ready. My hors d'oeuvres are ready, the iced tea's in the fridge, and I wanted to show you guys this beautiful painting. I don't have a lot of originals in my house. This is probably the only original that I own. It's by a Mongolian contemporary artist by the name of Gambatal Choimbol, and I know I'm not pronouncing it right. My apologies if I did not pronounce that correctly. But I just love his style because, as you can see, it's a beautiful horse. And what's unique about this painting is that he uses gold foil, and I love it when the light hits it a certain way. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this is my favorite piece of art that's not a print, because most of my artwork are prints, except for the ones that I painted many years ago. Those are oils. So anyway, guys, I think I'm ready for Sarah. I can't wait for her to get here. I'm really excited, and like I said, I'm going to try to get her on video. Hopefully she'll agree, and we'll have a good time. See you soon. I think she's here. I think that's her. That's Sarah. Look who I have here today. I have Sarah.
Hi, it's Sarah with Sarah's Jewelry Studio.
She thought she would stop by and say hello on her way back to Pennsylvania, and I'm so delighted to have her. What did you think of my studio?
Her studio is really amazing. It's way better than what you see on video.
No, don't say that.
No,
don't
it
say
really
that.
is. It is.
And anyway, I just had a really good time having you over.
It's
Sarah.
been a lot of fun getting to see all of her goodies. She has so much good stuff.
Well, thank you. I showed her a lot of my necklaces.
She did. And look, she even gave me a gift. It's so pretty.
See, that's what you get when you come visit
That's
Misty
right.
Moon. So come visit me.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you. It's been a blast. It really has.
Have a great trip back, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I had so much fun with Sarah. I showed her my studio. I showed her some of my necklaces. And she gave me this beautiful bracelet. Look how pretty this is. So anyway, I just really enjoyed having her over. She has an awesome channel, guys. If you haven't been to her channel, you should go check it out. She's one of the few jewelry engineers that I know. She takes pieces and makes them work every single time. And I just love her style. Go to her channel, check it out. You're gonna love what you see. She does a wonderful job with her finished jewelry videos. Anyway, I am working on a tutorial, and I think I will do the wire wrapped necklace. So I need a few days to get it together and figure out the best way to show you. But anyway, guys, look out for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.